Your AI agent can delete your entire CRM with one prompt. I convinced one to do it in 4 seconds, and nobody noticed for 8 months. I am Matt Gale, 15 years in enterprise IT. I have managed $80 million budgets, 40-person teams, and I currently run Gale Ops, where we audit AI systems for businesses deploying agents into production. Here is what keeps me up at night. Traditional cybersecurity was never designed for AI. Your firewall does not check prompt injections. Your SOC does not flag when an agent exports your entire customer database. On this channel, we cover 3 things: AI security, what gets tested and why your stack is vulnerable; enterprise IT strategy, honest takes on the tools shaping modern tech; and AI automation, how to deploy agents without getting burned. We have found vulnerabilities in production systems that had been running for months. We have tested agents that could be tricked into deleting 200 records in seconds. And we have mapped the exact frameworks you need to be compliant. If you deploy AI agents, manage IT infrastructure, or just want to stay ahead of the security curve, subscribe. New videos every week. And if you want a free 15-minute consultation on your AI stack, the link is in the description. Welcome to GaleTech. I am glad you are here. Let's build something secure together.